Trying to unpair a speaker, headphones, or soundbar from your Airtel Xstream box. Maybe want to connect a new device or just clear out old connections. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to forget or remove a Bluetooth device in less than a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Settings. First, turn on your Airtel Xstream Android box and navigate to Settings and open Settings gear. This opens the main Settings menu. Scroll down and under System Settings tap Android Settings. Step 2. Go to Remotes and Accessories. Under Android Settings, scroll down using Remote and go to Remotes and Accessories. Now, you'll see a list of all the Bluetooth devices that are currently paired with your Xstream box. Select device you want unpair and press OK button. A small menu will pop up on the side of the screen. From this menu, select Unpair and press OK button to confirm. And it's gone. The device will immediately disappear from the paired devices list. The device is now completely unpaired. You can now exit the Settings menu. If you want to reconnect that same device later, you'll have to put it in pairing mode and go through the Pair New Device process again. And that's it. If this quick tutorial solved your problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.